Hi, this is a new series of dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Hi, welcome back to the weekly portfolio review. Currently, portfolio is 1427.59 and the overall return is 7.6 percentage profit. So that's including the earned dividends. For last week, there is no dividends paid. Market was on up, so 0.63 percentage increased. Let's see each of the slice. Car wash now it is worth $740 and Costco membership it's $687. So in car wash you have JP. JP is worth 13 shares, 13.5 shares. Average cost share price is 54.54. Currently JP is 54.78, so we are on profit on JP on the price wise. Let's go to the activities. Going through the activities, Monday we had $5.18. That is the dividend being paid in JP. We bought JP again on 5.18, and only other activity was on Thursday, $11 deposit, and on Thursday itself that $11 buy happened on JP. So going through the per month portfolio, we got $5.19 in dividends in car wash. So if you see our target is $9.99. If you go to Costco membership, our target was $5. It exceeded 5 and now it is 6.47. So that's why we tell like Costco membership we achieved financial independence. Let's go to the Excel to see more details. Here you could see the monthly dividend increased to 12.5. Actually, there was an error in the JP dividend for the last month. I gave it 0.41, but however, JP dividend was 0.44506, so that boosted our dividend per month. Annual dividend after the $11 deposit, it's 149.76, so our milestones is yet to be achieved. If you see the total cost, I deposit 1355 and the yield on cost is 11.05. Let's go to the calculation for financial independence date. Currently, the monthly dividend is 12.5. Let's calculate the financial independence. So, as of today, our monthly dividend target is 5196, and with the current 12.5 monthly dividend, our financial independent date would be 23/24 October 30th. At that year, my age would be 339. I'd be earning around 44 million during the day for the day. Let's go through the milestones achieved so far. Thank you.